Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sport Horizon YouTube channel. I'm Jay, one of the data tutors, and in today's Tableau for Sport tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic ranking filter using parameters in Tableau. Using dynamic filters in Tableau in general is a really unique way just to add that extra level of interactivity to your dashboard. Within this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to create a dynamic ranking filter using parameters in Tableau. So I'm going to jump straight into it now. So the very first thing that I want to do is I want to make a simple bar chart that looks at the player names and the distances for a specific month. So to do that, I'm just going to search for player full name within the search bar here to retrieve the player name. I can add that to rows. Likewise, I want to look at the distances, so I'm going to type in total distance, and add that to columns. As you can see here, now the values for each player now appear. And in terms of looking at a specific month, I'm going to go back into the search bar and type in session date. Here, I'm able to retrieve the month that I want by selecting months. And I'm then going to click next. And here you're presented with this screen and you can pick any month that you want. Within this instance, I want the month of May. And I'm going to click OK. And I want this to be in descending order. So I want to give the user the ability to select a specific ranking. And when they select that ranking, only players that fall within that ranking condition appear. So let's say they pick the number 5, therefore the top 5 will appear. Let's say they pick the number 10, then the top 10 will appear, etc, etc. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click on player full name within the rows here, and I'm going to select filter. And I'm then going to select top, and I'm going to then select by field. And here you're presented with this statement. Essentially, it says the top 10 for total distance. But the issue with this is that it's only fixed to top 10, and I want to give the user the ability to select whatever number they want. So to do that, I'm going to click on this small arrow here, and I'm going to select create a new parameter. And I'm then presented with this screen. The very first thing you want to do is you want to name the parameter. So within this instance, I'm going to call it ranking. And I'm then going to jump straight into the bottom here, as this is the most important bit. So in terms of minimum, what this essentially showcases is what's the lowest number that you want. It's always best practice to do this as 0. And in terms of the maximum, ideally you want this to be the number of players within your data set. So within this example, I'm just going to pick 20. And in terms of step size, this is the number interval you want the ranking to go in. So if you pick 1, it's going to go from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc, etc. If you were to pick 5, it's going to go from 0, 5, 10, 15, etc, etc. And in terms of current value, this is essentially the default value that is shown on the screen. So you can pick whatever number you want. And I'm then going to select OK. Now this is all done. And I'm then going to select OK again just to confirm this. And I'm then just going to head out of the search bar here. So I'm able to see my parameters displayed at the bottom here, so ranking. So to display this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on ranking and select show parameter. And here you are presented with this small slider. To actually see the values, I'm just going to quickly change the color font. So to do that, I'm going to select format and then parameters. In terms of font, I'm just going to change this to black. And as you can see, you're now able to see the number. So currently it's showing the top 10 as that's what we put as default. But let's say if I want to look at the top 5, I can just slide this across and I'm able to see the top 5. Let's say if I wanted to see the top 3, I can slide it across again and I can see the top 3. So that is the tutorial done, and I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If you have, please click the like button and click subscribe too. Definitely check out our website as well. Link to that would be in the description down below. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye bye.